So, I'm back yet again with another update to make. EAS Catching Season 3 has officially begun already. And yep, I announced that one day earlier. I made my video post about Season 3, EAS Catching Season 3, yesterday. And today, and just about 2 hours ago, we received our first EAS alert of the season. And we caught this first alert, too. So, this video will be uploaded tonight, if whatnot. Time, pretty around 6 to 9. 6 p.m. to 9 p.m. If things will go right, which I think that would be 99% sure. So, see you guys later, and bye guys.